the Bouncer Association of Meghalaya gave away the Kennedy Memorial Award to kickboxer Johnny Nongrum of the MMA, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu winner Mordekai Simon Kharpuri, Shillong Arm fight and Northeast level champion Badalin Kharbyrngar, 10th Mr. Universe Mr. Physique Donbor Rumnong, and Miss Bhoi 2022 Bala Makri. Posthumous awards were also given to late Kennedy Warlarpih's wife Jeblinda Kharmalki, his mother Fastinia Warlarpih, and sister Risuk Warlarpih. The Vice President of the Bouncers Association of Meghalaya, Nikki M. Nongsiang, informed that the Kennedy Memorial Award was instituted in the memory of the former Vice President of the Association, late Kennedy Warlarpih.
Kum kakanhun mensua ilayat hadu degi arposnet bat kakam kejongi rupis tu kamde kakam masuk ni habiat lengba ke hiba ni tungku hiba ba iji jinge tungku ti kidon kipor ki klipmat kiba ilajan tolo kum kita la wanom tenrei kidon bude kirangba bodon kemensim senrang ki barangba kum ini ba Kennedy Warlarpih ide iwe i hun senrang la wanom iba mi madan bandang penhe pensan lane bandang ai mensim ban penslur ya kunhuni bagadang im hadu mata kum bagalo mata kan di kadai gajinglong jongi kawa penlongi kum kakanhun ba unlong kumunuksa ke namta yangi ki para ane ki para member kumno bangin le ban kum kakanhun bangin yo ka thong ka jingjok tai